Hello there, it's Manic Pixie Danny and welcome back to another video on Gank Studios. In case you didn't know yet, I'm a YouTuber, songwriter, streamer, and cosplayer, and I share all my passions on my channel. And on this channel, I teach you content creation monetization with Gank. So, all of these can be found on the Gank Studios channel, but did you know that Gank Studios is actually composed of a team of creative people? In this video, you will get to meet each one of us and get to know us more. So keep on watching!
I'm Lumi. I am the community officer in Gank.
Hi, I'm Joskar, and I'm the written content manager for Gank.
I'm Cholo Tolentino, and I'm the video content manager of Gank.
Hi, my name is Saluna, and I'm a content contributor in Gank.
What is one fun fact about yourself? One fun fact about me is that I also love 3D art rendering, and actually my merch is rendered and designed by me.
One fun fact about myself is that I'm actually really good at cooking, and one of my best dishes is actually onion omelette. I love cooking that. Every time I don't know what to cook, I'll cook that. But I'm also really bad at baking, so I guess that covers it.
I used to own a board game bar, and now I have close to 200 games stored in my shelf.
So a fun fact about myself is that I'm a cosplayer. So whether I'm hosting on stage or singing in a video, I always try to find a way to be in costume because it's something I am really passionate about.
I used to be in theaters as a young one, and I was a vlogger before becoming a VTuber.
What do you like about content creation?
So what I love about content creation is the fact that it's a community. And because it's a community, you're surrounded by so many different types of content creators with different styles, different mediums. And because of that, you're inspired to keep creating different types of content.
This allows you to do a lot of creative things. So it gives you a lot of creative freedom. I'm a cosplayer, so it gives me a lot of creative freedom with makeup, with costumes, and with the props and the characters and how you want it to be.
And that's the thing about content creation. You have to be enjoying it and not just doing it because you're in it for the money, but the process of documenting, editing, and creating something new every single time, or even challenging yourself.
Content creation has opened up new and innovative ways to tell stories, each medium unique in its own way. The more stories we tell, the closer we become to each other. And I think that's great.
So as a content creator, you can't be everybody's cup of tea, but the good thing about content creation is there's always an audience for a specific type of content that you do. So there is no loss. So regardless of whenever you think that you're not interesting at all, some people will always love what you do. You just have to find the people. You just have to know where to give out your content.
Give one word to share what it's like to work with Gank. I would say that it is very hopeful.
I would say overall, the entire experience is really fun.
Trailblazing.
It's really inspiring.
Interesting.
It gives me hope that creators, not just me, but small creators out there who are just starting out, do have hope and do have a chance in making it as a creator, as an artist, or as a cosplayer, or whatever you do.
There's a lot of things that you can do, and family is, I would consider it a family. Really fun.
We're carving a path for content creators to further control how their content works. And I think that's just awesome.
Because I'm surrounded by different creatives, whether they're from different departments or from the same department as me, basically we teach each other every day how to become better creatives, and by doing so, we also make Gank a better product for other content creators out there.
Those people that are helping content creators in the platform are also content creators themselves. Therefore, they can help you better, and they know how to cater to their audience, because really the mission of Gank is to help content creators.
So yeah, this is Gank Studios, made by content creators for content creators, and we hope to see you on Gank.
I hope to see you on Gank.
Hope to see you on Gank.
Hope to see you on Gank.
Hope to see you guys soon in Gank.